What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Denver, and today we are on Lake Athens. Tomorrow is Father's Day. Got some family coming in tomorrow, so we decided just to come out here, do a little night fishing. It's been a long time since we've done some night fishing out here on this lake. I think there's been some good fish here being caught lately. I've been seeing a few posts here and there, so we're gonna give it a try. We got a few hours before it gets too dark. See if we can't catch a few, and I'll keep y'all updated. Yeah, there's definitely way more people here than I was expecting there's going to be. I mean, they're all skiers and wake boats, but we got a few more hours and they'll be gone. We'll have the lake to ourselves here pretty soon. All right, here we go. Lake Athens Special, where you at? Got a lot of floating grass here. I only really see 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 bass boats out here. Everything else are skiers. And here comes another one. Right there. Yep, I do. Put this down for right now. Go back to my worm. Come on, fish, where you at? Not these little schooling fish. They ain't doing nothing. As soon as it hit the water, he hit it. I don't know how big he is. He's pretty stout feeling. Oof. Not bad though. Hey, he hit that as soon as it hit the water. Hand me those pliers right there. Never mind. A little cayman, first cast. A little caffeine shit.
Bleeding. See.
Well, got a skunk fish out of the way. I've had to throw that one like literally right on top of his head for him to hit it as fast as he did. I guess that's the only wake boat over there left. They're just, I guess, watching the sunset now. I guess these guys over here, they had to go hit the bank and go. They had to, missed him. Yeah, they might have had to go relieve themselves. Get him in the boat. A little chunky looking fish. All right, happy early Father's Day. Oh, you ready to go home now? Yeah. Day is coming to an end for everybody else, and it's just about to start for us. See if we can't catch us a biggin. He might be a good fish. Yeah, he's good, maybe 4. Dang, he barely skin hooked. Barely skin hooked. I'm gonna say he's probably gonna be close to 4. Language. 447. Not bad. Not a bad one to start off the night. 447. Oh. Let's catch another one. Way up here somewhere. Got another one. Oh, I can't squeeze my hand. My left hand. Another one. Another one. We need them to be a lot bigger though. Look at that guy. I think he's all fancy though with his little colors changing lights on the side of his boat. You're whooping me now. You're whooping me. I haven't got a bite since we left that one pier back there where I didn't set the hook because I didn't realize it was a fish. I thought it was grass the whole time. Took a little while. I finally got mine. He's still beating me by 3, I think. But we're still at him, huh?
I don't remember how many I caught.
You got 1.
I caught 2 here.
You got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, I think. I don't know. I got them all on camera anyway, so we'll find out later. But I think I got. Shoot, that's only my 3rd one, ain't it? 1, 2. I don't know. We've done lost count. Well, guys, after that last fish we caught the other night, everything just seemed to shut down. You would have thought as early as we were getting them bites, once the sun really started going down, it was going to be a really good night of fishing. But turned out once it got about like 10 o'clock, everything just kind of died off. We fished for a few more hours, nothing. So we just kind of packed up and left. Came back home, but I didn't want to finish the video off there, so we're here at a different lake today. Hopefully we can get something done and catch something worth showing y'all. Y'all hang around. Start off with a little deep cranking action. See if we can't pull one up out of this deep stuff. All right, we got us one on the deep crank. Woo, woo. A little spotted bass. Almost as big as the crank. This little light rain don't really bother me. It's just that big heavy stuff, and then I don't want to play with no lightning. As long as the lightning stays away, I'm fine. Well, I said a little rain wasn't going to bother us, but it's about to really start pouring down. It's getting mighty nasty out there. So we were just right there on the other side of the lake, but we decided we were going to come back over here at a friend John's house, put the boat underneath this lip. Hopefully here comes the rain now. Hopefully the rain will subside a little bit where we could get back out there and maybe catch some fish. I really don't want it to be that quick of a trip. We only been out here for maybe an hour or so. It really wasn't supposed to rain at all today, but I don't know, we're just gonna wait it out. If it looks like it's gonna keep doing this and get worse, we might just go ahead and leave. But as for now, we're just gonna try to wait it out. Well guys, as you could probably tell, the rain did not decide to let up. It's coming down pretty good now. It started looking like it was gonna let up at the lake, but the main reason we left is there was too many lightning strikes around there. We didn't want to take a chance, but I didn't want to end the video that way. I really wanted to see if we can't catch more fish to hook for y'all. But well guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. I know it was a little bit all over the place. Weather just wasn't working out for us. Fish weren't cooperating, but maybe we'll get back out there here sometime this week and put something together and actually get on some fish. Hope y'all enjoyed, and as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on Guff Outdoors.